your own set of wings. With your feet on the ground, you're a bird in flight. With your fist holding tight to the string of your kite. Oh, let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite.
Increasingly obvious. I can deny it no longer. I am small.
What's poppin'? I got Bertha. I'm gonna keep winning and aim to be the best trainer. Help me further my career. I'm about to end your career. I'm about to make you just stand there for the rest of your life. You ain't gonna ever move. You ain't gonna ever throw a Pokeball again, Tiana. Oh, fuck.
Pelo amor de Deus, bicho. Eu pisei no pé do outro. Caca de Deus.
I got the roll, yeah, I got the roll. I'm with the squad. I got the roll, I got the roll. I'm with the squad. Yeah, I let her dummy. Fuck up the 5 in the.
The only matter I do not take seriously, boy, is you. Your politics bore me. Your demeanor is that of a pouty child.
And specialize and get to any level you want to. When my dad heard that I was practicing throwing shot in a disco scene.
Keep going, clear the corridor!
Now.
Jack! Keep in the doorway!
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
hadn't said anything to any of his team. Then all of a sudden he just put his head down and he turned around to them and said,
"You guys cook like old people fuck."
And I thought, my God, that came out of the blue. You know, I wouldn't expect something like that to come out of his mouth.
You're so cute.
She's gonna come out. Oh no, I didn't do it right.
Does she think you're food, Daddy?
Chill, I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional, I do this every time.
Oh my God!
It's not fun.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Again?
Oh yeah!
Fight the big man.
What you doing?
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. I could lie, say I like it like that, like.
I'm dying. Can't find her someone to. My eyes are alright. Lost it, riots, gunfire inside my head. I lost it, riots, gunfire in. Put your head on my
Do I look?
I'm thankful. Because now, I know what I must do. I will shred this universe down to its last atom. And then, create a new one.
Haramoto takes it in, spins around, kicks out, good ball movement. Well, they almost turn it over. 24-second violation, no, throws it up. Oh my Lord! Just how did he score that? Look at this. I mean, what is it? Is this American football? He throws that up and he says, "Arigato gozaimasu." Unbelievable. Just how did he make that shot?